Okay, here we go. So we've got this example. So we've got A and B. So let's do it again for part A first. Okay. So now we've got the situation case 4, which is an absolute value expression equal to another absolute value expression. So the first thing I'm going to do is, in this case, is I can drop the absolute value signs, because what this is saying is either, I don't need the absolute value signs here, either 2x minus 5 is equal to x plus 1, or 2x minus 5 is equal to the opposite of x plus 1. Okay, so now we solve for each one. Okay, so I'm going to subtract x and subtract 1, or no, I won't do that. Subtract x from both sides, and then here I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Okay, so these will drop out, these will drop out, and so I get x equals 6. Alright, what about this side? So now what I'm going to do is distribute the negative, right? So this is going to become 2x minus 5 equals negative x minus 1. So now I'm going to add x to both sides, and I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And again, I'm going to see that these cancel. And so I'm going to get 3x equals 4. And so if I divide both sides by 3, I get what? X equals 4/3. Okay? All right, and again, all you have to do is just go back and plug 6 and 4/3 back into the original equation and make sure you get a true statement. So for example, for 6, you plug in 6, you get 12 minus 5 is 7, right? So absolute value 7 is 7. And here, you get 6 plus 1 is 7, absolute value 7. So you get 7 equals 7, same thing. And do the same thing for 4/3, right? 4/3 gives you 8/3 here, minus 5. Is that right? So 4/3, yeah. Oh, no, hold on. Yeah, that's right, 8/3. And then 15/3, the same as 15/3. So you got 8/3 minus 15/3, which is negative 7/3, which gives you positive 7/3. And here, if you do 4/3 plus 1, which is 3/3, so 4/3 plus 3/3 is 7/3, you get the same thing. All right, now for part B, it's going to be the same thing, right? So for part B, it's the same situation. Now, notice here that this absolute value expression is almost the same as this one, except this one's flipped. Let's see what happens here. So again, we're going to apply the equivalency. So that's going to tell us that 6 minus x is equal to x minus 6, or 6 minus x is equal to the opposite of x minus 6. So in this case here, what do we get? Well, if we add x to both sides, right? And then we add 6 to both sides. Okay? So these are going to cancel, these are going to cancel, and we get what? 2x equals 12, and we get x equals 6. Okay, now what about over here? Here we get 6 minus x equals what? Well, if we distribute the negative sign, we get 6 minus x. So we get a true statement. So that means no matter what value we choose for x, it's always going to be true. So this means that it's all real solutions. So what does that tell us? Well, either x equals 6 or x is all real solutions. So all real solutions contains 6 in it. So the answer is all real numbers, right? So the solution to B is all real numbers. Have a great day.